Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Sabina from Apple City, or welcome if you are new to my channel. So today I'm here with a quick Coach unboxing. Now I will include here a clip of me unboxing the item. So as you can see, my friends, I bought this beautiful sunglasses case from Coach, and the reason I got it is because mine from the paper sunglasses broke some time ago, as you can see here, and I needed to replace it, so I needed a new sunglasses case. I asked for a spare sunglasses case here at my local Burberry boutique, but unfortunately they said they didn't have it. And I decided to give a try to a Coach sunglasses case, which I have right now. I have already a few pieces from Coach. They are made of the coated canvas, so it is very durable, carefree, and scratch resistant. So yes, here it is, my new sunglasses case from Coach. Now let me give you a close-up look of this item. As you can see, my friends, it is made of the coated canvas with the smooth leather details on it, like here. And it comes in the color khaki and with gold hardware. In the front, you have this turn lock closure, and now this is the back of the sunglasses case, and these are the sides. It also features, my friends, the attached dog leash clip, so you can attach the sunglasses case on the inside or outside your bag. I think it is so comfy. Now let me quickly give you the measurements of the sunglasses case. So the length of the sunglasses case is 17 centimeters, and then the height is 8 centimeters, and the width, let me give you the width here. So it is almost 5 centimeters in the width. All right, my friends, so now let's open the sunglasses case, and you open like this. It's so cute, the turn lock closure. And on the inside, my friends, you have the fabric lining in the light brown color. So the outside and the inside of the sunglasses case have the matching colors. So pretty. And I've got here some tags. And let me tell you, it is made in Vietnam. You have the tag inside the sunglasses case. Well, my friends, in terms of the price, its retail price is $98, but I bought it for $39.20 in the Coach outlet. So they are having sale. You can find actually different colors and designs of the sunglasses case, and the price varies depending on the model and type of material. Well, now let's see if my Burberry sunglasses fit into this sunglasses case, which is very important for me. So I've got my Burberry sunglasses, and now let me put them. So as you can see, my friends, they fit perfectly. Now let's close. Voila! It fits so wonderfully. All right, and I also wear prescription glasses, and just for your information, let me demonstrate for you if they fit. All right, these are my prescription glasses, and let's put them in here as well. And as you can see, they fit nicely as well. No problem. Close it, and yes, you're ready to go. All right, now give me some time to put on my prescription glasses. Well, my friends, actually I do not have a Coach store in my city, so every time I buy something from Coach, I have to do it online, and every time it's like a blind purchase. But I'm very satisfied with this buy. This sunglasses case 100% meets my expectations. You know, we put the sunglasses case in our bag, in the car. We also carry it in our beach bag when we go to the sea. So I have no worries for the wear and tear. The canvas is pretty durable here. And besides, my friends, it is lightweight, which is so important. And that's it, my friends. This is what I got from the online Coach outlet, my new sunglasses case from Coach. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful and interesting. And if so, my friends, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye.